Hello, hi. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Lorraine Masia Mponera, your self-appointed scholarships mentor. Welcome to my channel. Please hit the purple button here to subscribe. And also welcome the usual subscribers. Thank you for coming again and again. I'm here because you are here. So in this video, I'm sharing an opportunity for entrepreneurs, young graduates that want to move to Canada. And this is the pathway. I enjoyed making this video, so I hope you're gonna enjoy it too. Okay, so this is foreign graduate entrepreneur stream. It says, you can see here Alberta, so it will be in this province in Alberta. Foreign graduate entrepreneur stream. Foreign graduates from outside of Canada can apply for permanent residence. There's an important notice here. Employer fees are illegal. Employers and employment agencies cannot charge employees fees for a job or employment offer. If an employer is charging you a fee of any kind, we can help. Call Alberta Government Information Line 311-0000 and ask for employment standards or the temporary foreign worker advisory office. Okay, so there's no need to start paying people. It's clear. Introduction. The Foreign Graduate Entrepreneur Stream is an economic immigration program for qualified foreign educated graduates from outside of Canada who want to launch startup enterprises and innovative businesses in Alberta. Okay, so if you want to learn more, you can click here to check eligibility, how to apply, and after you are nominated, what are the processes to follow. So it says connect with us if you have questions about the program using the opportunity. So you can, if you feel stuck, you can contact them. So let's look at what these eligibility and stuff are. Find out if you meet the criteria to apply to the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program Foreign Graduate Entrepreneur Stream. So there is this big thing, Alberta Advantage Immigration Program. Under that, it has several programs, one of which is this one that we are exploring now, the Foreign Graduate Entrepreneur Stream. Okay. So this Alberta Advantage Immigration Program is big. If people want to know more about all of this, I already made a video, which I'll show you at the end of this video, so you can check it, what other programs are there. In this one, we're just focusing on a smaller part of it, which is foreign graduate entrepreneur stream. Okay. So you go here, go here, go here, go here, read all of this, which has been explained down here. They talk about approved designated agencies. So let's just read the introduction, the overview. So we are all on the same path, same place. The Foreign Graduate Entrepreneur Stream is an economic immigration program that nominates talented, qualified foreign educated graduates from outside of Canada for permanent residence upon launching startup enterprises and innovative businesses in Alberta. The Foreign Graduate Entrepreneur Stream is a collaboration between Alberta Advantage Immigration Program and an approved designated agency. We'll go into approved agencies in a minute. Foreign graduates interested in applying under the Foreign Graduate Entrepreneur Stream must work with a designated agency. The designated agency will issue a letter of recommendation if it deems that the foreign graduate meets the AAIP requirements, which is Alberta Advantage Immigration Program requirement. The foreign graduate must submit the letter of the recommendation with their expression of interest through the AAIP portal. The designated agency will review business plans based on the foreign graduate's ability to demonstrate market need or demand, the potential for successful market entry in the short term to medium term, customer acquisition, business development, key partnerships, and financial plans to fund the development and operation of the startup. The designated agency will provide a written report on their assessment of the proposed business plan. Foreign graduates must submit this report with their foreign graduate entrepreneurial stream business application. So the approved designated agency, the role for this agency is to support the marketing of foreign graduate entrepreneurial stream, determine the entrepreneurial readiness of a foreign graduate and the potential success of the startup by reviewing the business idea and provide support on the development of a business plan, select foreign graduates to recommend for this program, connect foreign graduates with appropriate networks and provide business counseling, coaching, and guidance when launching their business in Alberta, and they are trying to achieve the requirements of the business performance agreement. Foreign graduates who are interested in applying for foreign graduate entrepreneurial stream should contact the foreign approved designated agencies. So these are the agencies you can work with. There's Empowered Startups, and there's this platform, Kagari, okay? Their contacts are here. You click here to go on their website. I'm not going to look at these agencies, but because I'll leave the link in the description below from where I started. So you just follow the same the way the video is leading you. And yeah, so you can check both and then pick whichever one you want to start with. So eligibility criteria. Why do you think you qualify? You need to look at all of this. So requirements for foreign graduate entrepreneurial stream. Work experience, minimum of 6 months full-time work experience. That can be a combination of actively managing or owning the business or equivalent. Okay, education, completion of a degree from a post-secondary school institution outside of Canada. The degree must have been completed within the last 10 years at the time of EIO submission. Expression of interest submission must be equivalent to a Canadian degree. The immigration website lists the designated organizations for ECA. So you might as well check. Business plan. A business plan with projected financials refer to the business plan guidelines. So it means somewhere within the website, you will see, you will find maybe around here, or we'll see. Language, minimum Canadian benchmark level, minimum Canadian language benchmark level of 5 for each English language skill. Or so yes, you need to, when you are doing the English test, don't go for IELTS and stuff like that. Go for what the Canadian government is recommending, and they have put here. Okay, yeah. Canadian English Language Proficiency Index Program, General Test, or International English Language Testing System, IELTS General Training Test. So it's specific to what they want. That's what you have to follow for these links. So you check if the one you have is the same, then fine. But if it's a different one, it means it will have to be different. Business establishment. You must have a minimum of 34% ownership if the business is located in the urban center, or a minimum of 51% ownership if located in a regional area outside this metropolitan census. Business investment, a minimum level of investment from, so this just means you need to do your research so you know all these regions and how your business will fit in the area that you want to settle in. You need some research there. letter of recommendation, a minimum level of investment from candidates or spouse or common law partner on equity or from a recognized Canadian financial institution, venture capital, or angel investment firm prior to coming to Alberta. The mandatory minimum investment for an urban center is 100,000. I think this is Canadian dollar, while the mandatory minimum investment for a regional area is 50,000. Higher levels of investment, so you need to have some form of money that you have been given or by these angel investment firms, or you have saved or something. Okay, so where are we? Settlement funds. Candidates must demonstrate that they have the funds needed to set up their business and support themselves. We've already talked about funds. Okay. And they specify settlement funds. I'm smelling like something is burning, but hopefully not because it's around midnight. Okay. So anyway, we will be finishing shortly. So you need to check all of this. Just read everything and take note. If you are the person who wants this, then if you know that you are going ahead with this, you need to click on everything so you know what you're doing. Okay. So here's how to apply. Here they are talking about if you want to withdraw, how to withdraw your application in process once you have started. So you need to know the process, but the application process has these 7 stages. So you expand by clicking on this plus and you make sure you read everything. Then you go to the next, review your eligibility criteria, submit an expression of interest. This is where you are at. If you meet foreign graduate stream criteria, you can submit your expression of interest by accessing the AIP portal. The AIP will review and score your EOI within 30 days of submission. Highest ranking candidates will be invited to submit a business application. For more information on the criteria used to assess EOI, see the foreign graduate entrepreneurial stream eligibility. The foreign graduate enroll application form is not available online. Only candidates who receive an invitation to submit a business application will be able to access the AIP portal to start the business application. So do we understand that? But if you want to continue with application, it says here expand all. This means all these, because they have got plus, 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 there's information behind it. So read each of them. Click here, you open the information, or just expand all, it will open all the tabs. Oops, all the tabs, and you go and read. But the most important thing is the list of here, the list of agencies that you can work with. If they are convinced, they're the ones who write you a letter of recommendation which will enable you to make an application. Okay, so I'll stop sharing now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. So as I said in the video, that if you are interested in a lot of opportunities available in Canada, this is the video. So please watch the video and and do the work, but also watch this if you have time. Thank you and good luck.